welcome to a foreigners one in the Philippines. We arrived now, and it seems Mananglina and Mike, that's the boyfriend of Mananglina, it seems they're doing well. Because Mananglina speak a little, but she's doing her best. And then started like there. This is a new transportations here in Hitafe. It's just 1 hour. It's very quick, and at the same time, it's very convenient, very comfortable, and it's an aircon, you know. Look at that. Yeah, so Terence will pick up us, but before that we're gonna stop by for some food here in town. There's a new restaurant there because we don't have breakfast yet, and it's already 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna order fish, which is Sinogbang Esta. Look at that at the back. That's Mananglina and her the boyfriend. I got a pimple here. Yeah, so the love story of Mananglina and the boyfriend is Mike sent a friend request to Mananglina, and then Mananglina accepted that friend request December 25, which is Christmas Day, and from that start they already communicate. So it's just a short time, you know. It's January, February, or March now, just 2 months. Mike flying here to visit her. Yeah, and I think it's also a good thing because it's where we are now. Mananglina trying her best to learn and on how to speak English, so that there's a communications between the two of them. But at the same time, you know, we're wishing her the best. So again, follow the journey of Mananglina and Mike on a foreigner in the Philippines.